Hello, I'm Jill Patton. I'm the program director at Lutheran General Hospital Internal Medicine, and I'm here with some chief residents from different generations. And I have to say, I trained here as a resident, and then I was a chief resident, and I had great mentorship that taught me how to teach with medical students. I got to be during chief year, learn about graduate medical education, which I'm really passionate about, and what keeps me here is being that mentor for our trainees. What about you, Victoria?
Well, I actually trained in a rural area, and then when I got to Lutheran, I just fell in love with the open learning environment. I felt like I could make mistakes and I could learn and grow from that. And when I walked through the doors, I felt like this is the place that's going to take me from a medical student and make me a well-rounded attending. And since I've been in attending, it's been lovely. I've been able to go ahead and text consultants. I never get the question of like, why are you asking this, or you should know this by now. It's just nice to know that we have a supportive environment, and if they treat me like that now as an attending, they're definitely treating that to our residents.
Yeah, and I would just say our residents really have an individualized education plan, right? We can really tailor to their needs, whether they're going to be a hospitalist, whether they're going into fellowship or primary care like yourself.
One of the unique aspects of our program is our focus on resident well-being, our culture, and work-life balance. One of the main highlights of our program is our unique culture that focuses on work-life balance and resident wellness. Our interns start off the year with a retreat at Whirly Ball. Throughout the year, we have scheduled didactics focusing on resident wellness, which are led by our Associate Program Director, Dr. Montgomery, as part of our Physician, Residency, and Medicine Committee. With the help of our residents, we help organize both in and out of hospital activities.
Our program has an X+Y schedule balancing both outpatient and inpatient responsibilities, which our residents really appreciate. While having the same educational experience as categorical residents, our prelims have extra elective time individualized for their future careers. We have the privilege of offering our residents a variety of in-house fellowships, including cardiology, critical care, hem-onc, and GI.
The AM program in Lutheran has provided me with invaluable experience, but also became the place where I feel truly supported. The AM program at Lutheran has provided me with invaluable experience, but also became the place where I feel truly supported and surrounded by amazing people that made my transition to residency very smooth. During my residency, I worked with a skilled team of doctors and learned the importance of teamwork and communication in patient care. I'm grateful for Lutheran General's support, and I'm excited to stay on as a cardiology fellow. Oh, hey guys.
Oh, hey Andre, how's it going? Good. Teaching is important to our faculty, and it helps foster an environment set up for success. Oh, hey Dr. Patel.
Hello.
Can you tell us a little bit about your time at Lutheran?
Hey guys, yes, I'm Deval Patel. I'm one of the internal medicine academic faculty members here, and I went to residency at this program, decided to stick around as an attending, like so many others have before me across a variety of specialties. I think the reason many of us stick around is because of the academic nature that the program has created. It's created a environment that's really nurturing towards learners. Serena, that patient on 10th hour is okay to discharge.
As you can see, here at Lutheran you will have a lot of support involving great teachers, care management, and positive culture. Our core faculty provide daily lectures involving high-value and board-relevant topics.
From didactics to now the Sim Lab, there's always an opportunity to learn something new and grow into the future physicians of tomorrow.
Like mentioned earlier, Lutheran provides many opportunities to learn, including hands-on experiences doing procedures.
In addition to all the benefits found within our hospital, we are fortunate enough to be located near one of the most beautiful cities in the world, Chicago.